Students, this question was asked in NEET 2015 in from chapter 5 of class 11, that is from the chapter of work, energy and power. The heart of a man pumps 5 liters of blood through arteries per minute at a pressure of 150 millimeter of mercury. If the density of mercury be 13.6 into 10 to the 10 kg per meter cube and G is equal to 30 meter per second square, then the power of heart in watt is, we have to find out, students. So students, I have repeatedly told you, before going to solve a question in NEET, you watch first what is asked and what are the physical quantities given. Okay student, what is asked here? The power of a heart is asked. P is asked. Okay student, and what are given? Here the 5 liters, that means volume is given, time is given 1 minute, height is given 150 millimeter, and D is given, density, G is given. Let us write down there. 5 liters, V is equal to 5 liters. Okay student, and H is equal to 150 millimeter and D is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3. This is 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay student, and G is 10 meter per second square. Student, these two are given in SI units. We have to convert these two into SI unit. We know 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So we may write 5 liters as 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Okay student, and height is 150 millimeter. So you may write here 150 into 10 to the power minus 3, or we may write this as 0.15 millimeter is equal to 0.15 meter. Okay student, so we converted everything into SI unit. And what is the formula for pressure student? Pressure is, we know, force by work done by time, and work done is force into displacement. Okay student, but here force and displacement is not given, rather what is given, you see. Do you remember anything? We can find out from the three given physical quantity H, D and G. Yes, pressure P is equal to H, D, G. So we can find out the pressure, and here volume is given. How can we calculate the work done from pressure and volume? We can write this force into displacement as also as F by A into S. We can write this equation like this. We have just multiplied the area in the numerator, in the denominator, keeping the equation same, students. So what is F by A? That is pressure. And what is area into length? That is volume. So student, the work done is also equal to pressure into volume, and you have studied in thermodynamics the pressure volume energy or pressure volume work done, that is PP. Here in this case P is given, we have to calculate, V is given. Let us calculate student. So let us put this pressure in place of pressure, we will multiply 0.15 for height. For density we will write 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 here, 10 to the power 3 kg, and here G is 10 meter. Okay student, and this is SDG, that is pressure, and volume is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, and divided by time, that is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, let us not write the units because everything in SI units, so we can directly put the unit of power as what, which is the SI unit of power, we know. Okay students, so let us calculate this. This is 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power 3 will cancel each other, and this will be equal to 10 divides 60 by 6. Okay student, and this 6 divides by 3 to 2, and this 3 0.05. Okay student, then this 2 divides this by 6.8 and this is 5. Okay student, then 6.8 into 5 into 5, that means 6.8 into 5 into 5, 25, and there are two decimals, so this is 6.8 into 12, that is equal to 1.7 watt. Read 1.70 watt, that is in option C, so option C will be correct students for this question.